Every morning we can sing a new song. We can choose to be vegan from now on. We can choose to be vegan from now on.
Hey, thanks so much for hanging out with us. Follow That Vegan Teacher here on YouTube. Subscribe and press the little notification bell. That way you won't miss a thing. Do you see any videos right now on the screen? Click on those too if you're curious. Have a look around. See you in the next video. Bye for now.